Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have an exciting wig review, and this wig is sponsored by Wequeen Hair. I'm so excited about this wig, you guys. This is something that I've been wanting to try forever. It is a braided wig, and not just any old braided wig. Oh no, honey, not just any braided wig. It is a knotless braided wig. 13 by 4 knotless braided wig, 32 inches of luscious braids. So excited about it. The lace is a medium brown complexion. So for you guys who may be a little bit fair skinned, just a little heads up that it is tinted a brown, a medium brown. But as you can see, it comes with a band attached to it. Also has the adjustable strap in the back, and also includes 3 combs, 1 in the back and 2 on each side. So as you guys can see, most of your parting will be at the top of the wig. You are only left with about 2 inches on each side. But the transition from the track, the wefted braided hair, and the actual individuals placed in the lace is very seamless. Trust me, you won't see it. You can still do a middle part, a deep side part. It does not matter at all. You will not be able to tell. It is very camouflage. As you can see, the wig came with full on baby hairs. They are sparsely placed, perfect. All you do is have to cut them and shape them to your liking. Trust me, it's perfect. Like, love it. As you can see, the wig came with 2 wig caps. Also came with this black satin storage bag to put your wig in when it's no longer in use. They also include this full kit of hair jewelry, and I think this comes with, when you purchase the wig, you get this full kit of hair jewelry, because when I went on the site, it was there. So also care instructions, and they gave me this little claim your prize or whatever pamphlet thing. Yeah, they also included that in there as well. But this is the wig, so let's get right into the video. So yeah, we taking it back to the African braiding shops. You know, when they used to dip the hair after they was done in the water. Because prior to filming this video, I actually opened the wig. I was so excited about receiving a braided wig, because I told y'all, like, in the beginning of the video, I really was excited about this wig. So I twirled it a little bit, and, you know, upon twirling in it, you know, not only was it a little crease from being bent in the box, but also it was kind of prickly. And I know that's a technique that they use to kind of smoothen and soften out the braid, and it absolutely worked. So I do recommend, if you get this wig, doing this step. My water wasn't that hot because I was getting things together and prior to filming this video, so it kind of cooled down a little bit. But make sure your water is a little bit hotter than what I use, but still at the same time it still worked. And so I 100% recommend you doing this if you're going to purchase this wig. It really 100% worked.
Problems never needed solving. I was too good, so you should have stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. They shot for you wanted things and you got it. They shot for I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja.
So I decided to take this leave-in conditioner spray from Shea Moisture just to kind of, you know, give the wig a fresh scent and, you know, a feel. It's synthetic hair, so I don't know if it did too much of anything. But to me, every step that I took prior, it worked. You know, it made the hair feel 100% better from when I just put the wig on straight out of the box. So I definitely recommend doing all these steps if you get this wig. So I did allow the wig to dry completely overnight. Now I'm just going to go in and simply just remove the lace using the razor blade technique, just so we can get jagged lines and nothing too harsh. Even though we're going to apply our baby hair in and a lot of the laces isn't going to show, it's just a technique that I've grown to love. So this is the technique we've grown with. So cut the lace however fits you, but this is how it works for me.
don't be just do it for fun. Don't they keep pressing up, baby? Up on my lady, up to my lady. Dating a few.
Now that we have the wig prepped and ready, I'm just going to be applying it to my head. And if you are like me and like to pre-cut your lace, make sure you have a comb on handy. Because this wig comes with baby hairs, chances are they're going to be up underneath your wig. So just having a comb ready and releasing all of those baby hairs will basically help you from gluing your hairs underneath your wig. So make sure you do this before applying any adhesive. I'm going to be taking the boho liquid gold and I'm only going to be applying it to my side tab areas because it has a stronger hold. But you do want to apply this stuff carefully because it has the tendency to flake. So in combination with the boho liquid gold, I'll be taking my Gots to Be Insta Hold to use around the remaining perimeter of my head. I love this stuff because it does not flake at all. I've only ever seen it on Amazon. I've never really seen it in the store. So if you guys are interested, please check the description bar below. I will link it. Take your blow dryer on cool. Y'all heard it come out of my mouth. Cool. This is synthetic hair. I don't want y'all to be taking it on high heat and melting your hair, okay? On cool to dry the perimeter of your head. On cool. I've said it. Cool. Cool air. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like... So like I stated, I did my baby hairs off camera. I also applied a few of the hair jewels to my head. I laid my baby hairs down with this olive oil lace grip gel just for a little extra added security. And baby, I was happy with my baby hairs. I did that. It took me a little time, but baby, I was real pleased. But that's besides the point. I cannot thank the company Wequeen Hair enough for allowing me the opportunity to review this wig for you guys. I 100% absolutely hands down love this wig. It's a 10 out of 10. If you guys are interested in this wig, remember to check the links below. I will have it in the description bar. Also, make sure you guys are following me on the gram, because if you are buy this wig, please tag me. I would love to see how you slay this wig. This wig is everything. Trust me, one of those must-haves. You can even do it in a half up, half down, honey. As you can see, I had to apply a little clip on there because, you know, I went thinking when I was doing the video. So I was like, ooh, let me show them this half up, half down. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. I had a blast reviewing this wig. As you can see, honey, it's bone from the back and everything. You can't even see none of the wefted braids. Girl, it's just amazing. I 100% recommend this hair. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. Make sure you leave me a like. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.